Hey there, it's Nikos here, and I want to show you a trade made by Rustum again. So he is the second time the trader of the week because I just like his trade. Uh, Taking this on GBP CAD on the 15-minute chart. So what he did, here's his major trend line coming from a higher time frame, horizontal resistance and support, and he just took the first 1 2 3 over the 36 close to resistance, but there was support. There is volatility down here, so I said, okay, I'll just try, even if it looks like it's against that main move. If the price is volatile, it's always okay to try out. Okay, and as you can see, the result is uh, a small stop actually with a little early, let's say, or aggressive entry, but the remaining position is with 325 pips in profits. I don't know if it's still running or not. That's the chart I received. So the trade is running or was running from October the 31st to November the 1st. I'm not sure what's going on with this trade or if there are any updates, but so far it's a really powerful trade, and you can see if there is enough volatility, you do your homework and you have the strength and patience to just leave a position running as long as your support area is strong. In this case, the 36 EMA, it will pay off in the long run. Not every trade, not every day, but even if you catch 3 or 4 out of 10 or out of your 10 good trades that turn into powerful swing trades, you will really leverage your profits in the long run. Okay, so again, well done Rustum for this trade. Feel free everybody to send me over your trades if you want to share something you have done, something great. It's okay to share that with the world. People like to see this. It's also good for you. It will boost everybody's confidence. And of course, don't forget to like the video, to share this, and to comment. See you soon and enjoy the week. The weekly forecast will come up in about 1 hour from now, so you will probably see both of those videos uploaded on YouTube at the same time, more or less. So again, enjoy the rest of the weekend. It's Sunday today. See you next week, and like always, happy and healthy trading. Bye.